Hey guys, this is Dopez here and welcome to the video on how I pretty much have made a new hit detection system in Minecraft which runs on server. So first of all, what does it do better than the normal vanilla hit detection system? So normal vanilla hit detection system have two issues. Well, three issues. First of all, it doesn't really accurately check the entity bounding box in the fact that it doesn't shoot a ray to the bounding box. It just does something really strange where it gets the actual vision back from the bounding box to the entity that's being targeted back to you, which is one bad thing. Secondly, it has a limitation of only having 3 blocks. You cannot change that limitation. It will always only work for 3 blocks. So if you're further than three blocks, doesn't matter what kind of weapon you have, it's not gonna scan the hit. It's not gonna register the hit outside of 3 blocks. Third issue is that it's run fully on client side, which means that people can hack to get their own hit system and it will work. So those three things has been solved in this custom hit system, and the best thing is it's fully vanilla. And I did this because I'm working on a server called Zero Roleplay with my friend. It's gonna be a server with a lot of custom features and custom weapons, so we need weapons that can be used, further than 3 blocks, like long range weapons that is both melee and long. And so for that we needed our own hit system. As well as that, we also don't want hackers to just have a PvP hack client and then use their override the client register system. So that probably won't work anymore. Well, that most likely won't work anymore. As well as the hit system in Minecraft is just broken, which is the main reason why a lot of people left and don't like the new uh, combat mechanism in Minecraft. So I'll show you an example right now. So if I am 3 blocks away, which is up until I believe here, and I hit him, actually, nope, that's not it. Okay, there you go. So I'm using vanilla hit right now, the 3 blocks range, but I can go far away, and then we're using our custom hit detection system that I've coded. Now, the best thing about this is that I can go really far away, and I set the distance up to here, and I can even set the distance to up to 16, but for sake of experimentation I kept it in a low distance, and you can see it works. So if I enable bounding box, you can see it's pretty accurate. So as soon as it enters the bounding box, I register the hit, which is how it should be. However, in Minecraft, right, in a certain point, so if I'm in here, let's move this guy. Alright. So as you can see, at certain point, if I'm 3 blocks down, which is the so I made it so that if you're in 3 blocks, that it uses the vanilla hit system, and anything further than that uses the custom hit system that I coded, just to show you guys the difference. So I'm in 3 blocks, which means I'm using the vanilla hit system, and look at that. I'm literally hitting them inside the bounding box, right? And it's not registering until I hit him, like if I move to the right and then hit him. Like it literally checks for your player facing position instead of the angle of your arm on the cursor, which is so weird. And it in some cases player thinks they're lagging out, but it's just a hit detection being really bad. So the best thing is, let me push him. Go. Okay, there you go. Now, if I'm on the custom hit system, you can see that the issue no longer happens. So if I see any of the bounding box of the player until like it hides, obviously, look how it can register even the little bit of the exposed bounding box of the player, of the villager. So that makes the PvP really smooth and allows you to actually have skill in aiming to be used to counter opponents. So the best thing about this is that it works for any entity. So I check basically the bounding box of the entity anytime I just need to register a hit. So if I spawn a turtle and go far away, I can literally crit him. There you go. His bounding box is really small. I can crit him from far away. And there's that cow if I go forward. And there you go. I crit him. The distance is small right now, so let me summon a, I don't know, Minecraft silverfish and go far away around 16 blocks. There you go. And uh, it's really hard to aim, do crit because they're so small and I'm so far away. But yeah, there you go. The hitbox and the hit system is pretty much 100% accurate, no issues. It runs on server, which means it calculates faster, and it uses predictability model, which means that even if you're moving, it will still register the hit correctly. And yeah, with this system, I could even make a hit scan weapon like a gun, and I can shoot guns and will register hit without any projectile, all in vanilla Minecraft, which was never done before. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys later.